think some of this...
Aggregating credit-relevant data remains a huge constraint. The industry top regulator is urging financial institutions to strap up.
Over the last 10 years, we've had credit information sharing in the regulated financial institutions. Still, data quality remains a challenge. Okay? We haven't moved to 100% at acceptance rates. There are still data rejections where some information relating to particular customers is missing. Sometimes there are issues to do with the extraction scripts because data is stored in different databases. How do you spool this information from the different databases and be able to build a profile that will be accepted by the Bureau? So data remains a very big challenge. And as members of the, as microfinance institutions, this is one of the aspects where I think the CRP needs to bring you on board.
Gnugrid Credit Reference Bureau officials say an estimated 80% of the total borrowings are in the last mile and not visible in the credit information space, necessitating a digital ecosystem to create quick access.
In 2022, about Tier 1 to Tier 3 financial institutions almost lost close to $200 million US due to multiple borrowing. Yeah, so there's so much amount of money that's being written off because of multiple borrowing. It's ongoing, and the only way to solve this is actually to share data so that we can track and identify those multiple borrowers.
Shall end up having business which is well rated, where we can borrow and have under very good rates. So we are also aiming at ensuring that interest rates are regulated properly.
To bridge this gap, innovators are leveraging latest disruptive technologies to provide credit scoring.
They're actually relying on the score to rate, and that's the future. If you are targeting the last mile, the 80% that the director talked about, most of those don't have a land data. So how can we use the data to clean up that space so that it's secure for you to tap into it?
It is hoped that this disruption in the financial services industry will improve efficiency, accelerate services, lower the cost of money and quality of information provided to borrowers and industry players.